everyone, it's Renee here today, and it's my turn to have a play with this freebie. Links will be in the description box to where you can grab this. And I'll also pop a link to what Kerry made with this in her video, so you can find all those links in the description box. But today I'm just going to have a bit of a play. I have no plan in mind, and we'll see what I come up with. Alright, I've cut all my bits out, and I've also printed one of these alignment grids, which is another freebie in the shop. Link will also be in the description box for this one. And I'm just going to use this so I can make some straight collage strips, because I am pretty bad at straight collage strips, or straight anything really. So that's how it's looking, and I don't hate that. I think it just needs a little bit of the inking. Hello, Izzy. Are you having an explore, sweetheart? She's a very, very curious cat. Keep having to pull her out of the dryer because every time I open the door to put some wet clothes in, she jumps in. So I have to double, triple check every time I want to dry some clothes in the dryer because there might be an Ezzy in there. Alright, so that's that one, and I'm really happy with how that turned out. I think that looks nice, and we'll call that one done. Now, you don't just have to make collage strips, or, you know, collage strips can be made a lot of different ways. So I want to do some kind of free flow, something a little different. So I'm going to start with just a strip. I'm not going to use the grid page because I'm not really going to adhere to any sort of rules. In fact, I'm going to purposefully stick things so they overhang and it doesn't make a lot of sense, and you know, see how it goes. So I like that. I'm going to start with that. I might as well just use the grid. I'm going to stick it on just so I've got something in the back. So when I cut it out at the end, the back will be flat as well. So I'll pretend I haven't stuck the squirrel on and we'll start afresh. call that done. So this time I'm going to cut this out around the bits that overhang and have a interesting shaped one. So let's do that. There we go, that's the second one, and I really like the irregular shape. I think really stands out, and of course we've got the solid back as well. I just printed this on regular copy paper so I can kind of see the grid through, so if you didn't want that you just print on a little bit thicker, I suppose, or double stick, like stick the grid on something else before you cut it. Anyway, that's my take on the Collage Strips freebie. I hope you enjoy it. Again, the links will be in the description box, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.